everybody, welcome to our channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video I'm going to be using only Maybelline's products to do my makeup. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. And if this is the first time you're here, hi, I'm Meha. I do makeup review videos, tutorials and more. So if you're into that, consider subscribing and also hit that bell so you get notified. So without further ado, let's nerd over some makeup. I'm starting off with the Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. This is one of the most popular concealers out there, very affordable, very beginner friendly. I've moisturized my skin and also used sunscreen. Do remember that for everyday makeup. Now I'm going to be using the Cuffs and Lashes concealer brush and blending it all out. I'm just using this under my eyes. I don't need it today specifically on any other place. This blends very easily. It's very easy to use. I have a full review. I think you should check it out. The next one I'm going to be using is a brow product. It's the Fashion Brow Cream Pencil in the shade Dark Grey. This is my second pencil. I've been using it since college. It's one of the easiest things. You have to sharpen it and use it. I'm just using it on the outer corners of my brows just to give it like a nice defined shape so that it looks complete. Next, I'm going to be using the Master Strobing stick in the shade Pink on the high points of my cheek and on the bridge of my nose and my chin. Now, since I don't have an eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to use this on top of my eyelids just to give it like a nice shimmery, fresh look. And I'm just blending it out everywhere. This basically gives like a subtle glow, not very like blinding or anything, but you can build it up if you want that kind of a look. What are your favorite Maybelline products? Let me know in the comments below. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Colossal Sketch Eyeliner. Now this is what I call like a lazy winged eyeliner because I'm just drawing on the outermost corner of the eye. And this is the look that I go for on an everyday basis. And I actually kind of like it. It gives my eyes a good definition and I'm not really dragging it all over the eye. And it gets done in like 15 seconds. So yeah, this is my look. Maybe I'll just create a tutorial for it later. Yeah. Do check the description box. I'll mention all the details of the products, and if I've done any reviews, I'll leave the links below too. Next, I'm gonna curl my lashes with this curler from Miniso, and for mascara I'm going to be using Total Temptations mascara. This is an easy wash mascara, which means it's not waterproof, and ideally that's what I like for everyday wear, so that it's easy to wash off at the end of the day. And this is what it looks like. It gives a very natural voluminous lash look. Now I don't have a blush from Maybelline, so I use the Creamy Matte lipstick in the shade East Village Rose. This is from their Brick City Heat collection, and it's like a really nice burnt orangey brown kind of a shade, which I am really digging with this outfit. It all goes very well, and I'm using the same lipstick as a lipstick. So yeah, that is the finished look. I'm gonna bring you just a little bit closer, and just because I did all that skincare before, I think my base is looking very nice. My face looks healthy, and that strobing stick just adds to the glow, So yeah, let me know what you think of this. It's not really over the top. This is what I would do on a daily basis as a normal person. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this. What's your favorite Maybelline product out of this? Let me know. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up below and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram @nerdovermakeup. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.